Today, we're looking into one of the hottest topics in the AI world. Devin, the AI software engineer created by Cognition Labs. Devin has actually caused a bit of controversy in the tech sphere. What is Devin AI? Imagine having a super smart coding buddy who understands plain English and can write entire computer programs for you. That's what Cognition Labs claims Devin can do. Unveiled in March 2024, Devin is being called the world's first AI software engineer. But what does that really mean? Well, according to its creators, you can simply tell Devin what kind of program you want, and it will write all the necessary code to make it happen. It's like having a genie that grants coding wishes. Let's break down what Cognition Labs says Devin can do. First, Devin can understand natural language. You can describe your desired program in everyday English. Cognition claims that the AI engineer can generate complete code. Devin can write entire programs, not just snippets. Not only can Devin generate code, it can debug and fix issues. In addition, it can also identify and solve problems in the code it creates. Devin isn't limited to just one coding language. It works across multiple programming languages. Lastly, Devin can collaborate and work alongside human programmers, understanding context and project goals. If these claims are true, Devin represents a huge leap forward in AI capabilities. It's not just about writing code, it's about understanding the broader context of software development. But what is Devin's potential impact? Let's talk about why Devin is causing such a stir in the tech world. If Devin lives up to the hype, it could completely change how we create software. Imagine being able to build complex applications in a fraction of the time it takes now. This could lead to faster innovation in tech, more accessible software development for non-programmers, reduced costs for companies building software. Would there be a job market shakeup? Of course, whenever we talk about AI doing human jobs, it raises some big questions. Will Devin replace human programmers? How will the role of software engineers change? What new skills will programmers need to work alongside AI? It's important to note that while Devin might change the landscape, it's unlikely to completely replace human programmers. Instead, it might shift their focus to more complex problem-solving and creative tasks. Now, before we get too excited or not, we need to address the elephant in the room. Not everyone is buying what Cognition Labs is selling. Many in the tech community are raising eyebrows at Devin's claimed capabilities. Here's why. 1. Lack of public testing. Devin hasn't been widely tested by independent experts. 2. History of AI hype. We've seen bold AI claims before that didn't pan out. And 3. Complexity of software engineering. Creating full programs involves more than just writing code. Another point of contention is that Devin is closed source, meaning its code isn't publicly available. This makes it hard for the wider tech community to verify Cognition Labs' claims. Broader implications for AI. Whether or not Devin lives up to the hype, it's part of a bigger conversation about AI's rapid advancement, the race to AGI. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence, the holy grail of AI that can match or surpass human intelligence across a wide range of tasks. Cognition Labs is suggesting that Devin is a step towards AGI, which is a bold claim. As AI systems like Devin become more advanced, we need to think about who's responsible if AI-generated code causes problems. How do we ensure AI doesn't perpetuate biases in software? What safeguards do we need to prevent misuse of powerful AI tools? So what should we make of Devin? It's a classic case of balancing excitement about new technology with healthy skepticism. If Devin or similar AI tools deliver even part of what's promised, we could see more efficient software development, new opportunities for people to bring their ideas to life through code, and freeing up human programmers to focus on more creative and complex tasks. At the same time, it's important to wait for independent verification of Devin's capabilities, consider the broader impacts on the job market and society, and think critically about the ethical implications of advanced AI in software development. Devin AI represents an exciting moment in the world of artificial intelligence and software development. Whether it lives up to the hype or not, it's pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible with AI. As we watch this technology unfold, it's crucial to stay informed, think critically, and consider both the amazing possibilities and the potential challenges. The future of software development might be changing before our eyes, and it's up to all of us to shape how that future looks. What do you think about Devin and the future of AI in programming? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates.